goose in my system and I'm trying not give a fuck. Cause I'ma love you tonight and hate you when I wake up. Girl, do you feel how I'm feeling, baby? Give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Cause it's on.
What it do? What it
Oh, she's back. I'm surprised she didn't ghosted us again.
It's your girl Kayana Royalty and welcome back to my channel. We're going for lunch. We're Taco Place. They have a $20 all you can eat taco. Probably go to the gun range later. Yes. We just placed our orders. We're gonna try the food and I'm gonna let you guys know if it's good or not. It looks good though, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm looking at everybody else's food and it looks like really good.
I'll bring a slow burger.
Thank you. It's cold. This food is horrible. How much you give the food out of 10? 5 out of 10? I'll give it 1 out of 10. The tacos was cold. Chicken was a good 4 out of 10. The espresso martini, disgusting. I ordered rice and beans. I didn't get that yet. I'm waiting on the next round of tacos. Didn't get that. I think we're able to go somewhere.
You want like again with this fucking dog?
I don't even know. The fucking canines? No, the short hair.
The dogs. We just bought shots. Now we're gonna go to the gun range. You don't need more than an hour to be in there.
Crazy. Depends on how much shot you carry. You guarantee you shit, niggas wanna shoot for hours and fucking in there, woman like you or something.
Nice. Nice. We do it again.
Get harder the more. Shoot, Kevin. He's all the time. Was it? Shoot, bro.
What am I supposed to be looking at?
That nigga's yours. You're straight. You holding it. You bend in your elbow. You have this. You hold. Just don't like you won't have no power.
Yo,
all you're doing is holding it tight.
But this feel uncomfortable holding this.
Whatever comfortable to you.
This comfortable you mean?
That's why I tell you the smaller gun you want 19.
And this comfortable?
Empty. Slide this down. Oh, that like that's some slide it down. Slide this down. Wow. I'm trying to show you something.